Imagine surviving the fall of your city, escaping as everything you knew crumbles around you. What would you do? Where would you go? This is the plight of Aeneid, the hero of Virgil's epic poem, The Aeneid. Hello everyone, and welcome back to A's Book Talk. Today, we read diving into a cornerstone of Western literature, a story of war, fate, and the founding of Rome itself. Virgil, or Publius Virgilius Maro, lived during the 1st century BC, a time of immense political upheaval in Rome. The Roman Republic was collapsing, giving way to the Roman Empire under Augustus. Virgil, a skilled poet, captured the spirit of his age. Commissioned by Augustus himself, the Aeneid served not only as a grand epic in the tradition of Homer, but also as a national myth, providing a glorious origin story for the Roman people and legitimizing the rule of the emperor. The poem begins with Aeneas, a Trojan prince, fleeing the burning city of Troy after its defeat by the Greeks. He is destined, according to the gods, to found a new Troy in Italy, a destiny fraught with challenges. The first 6 books recount Aeneas' long and arduous journey. He and his band of refugees endure shipwrecks, storms, and encounters with mythical creatures. Juno, the queen of the gods and a fierce enemy of the Trojans, relentlessly thwarts their progress. Aeneas lands in Carthage, where he is welcomed by Queen Dido. A passionate love affair blossoms between them, fueled by the machinations of Venice, Aeneas' mother. However, Aeneas is reminded of his higher purpose by Jupiter, the king of the gods. Torn between love and duty, he ultimately chooses to abandon Dido and continue his voyage to Italy. Dido, heartbroken and enraged, curses Aeneas and his descendants, foreshadowing the future conflict between Rome and Carthage, the Punic Wars. This section of the poem deals with themes of duty versus desire. The next stop on Aeneas' journey is the underworld, where he seeks guidance from his deceased father, Anchises. Anchises reveals the glorious future of Rome, the long line of heroes and emperors who will descend from Aeneas, and the empire's destiny to rule the world. This vision inspires Aeneas and strengthens his resolve. It is a scene full of Roman propaganda, placing Rome at the center of the world. The final 6 books of the Aeneid focus on the war in Italy. Aeneas and his Trojans land in Latium, where they are welcomed by King Latinus. However, Juno stirs up trouble once again, inciting the local tribes against the newcomers. Aeneas must fight to secure his place in Italy and fulfill his destiny. He faces fierce opposition from Turnus, the leader of the Rutulians, who is betrothed to Lavinia, the daughter of King Latinus. Lavinia is destined to be Aeneas' wife. The war is long and bloody, filled with heroic feats and tragic losses. Aeneas forms alliances with other Italian tribes and proves himself a skilled warrior and leader. He embodies the Roman virtues of piety, duty, and courage. The conflict between Aeneas and Turnus culminates in a single combat. Aeneas emerges victorious, fulfilling his destiny to found the Roman race. So, what can we take away from this ancient epic? The Aeneid is more than just a story of war and adventure. It explores timeless themes of fate, duty, and the human cost of ambition. Aeneas' journey is a testament to the power of perseverance, even in the face of overwhelming odds. He is constantly battling external forces, but also internal ones like love. The poem also raises questions about the nature of leadership and the responsibilities of those in power. Aeneas is portrayed as a virtuous leader, but his actions are not always morally clear-cut. His abandonment of Dido, for example, is a complex and controversial decision. This leaves us to ponder whether the ends justify the means. It seems like Aeneas is sacrificing the immediate good for long-term success. The Aeneid also serves as a reminder of the cyclical nature of history. The fall of Troy is mirrored in the struggles of Aeneas to establish a new home. This reminds us that even the greatest empires are not immune to decline and fall. The book teaches us to respect the past, but never let it confine our ability to progress towards a better future. Ultimately, the Aeneid is a powerful and enduring work of literature that continues to resonate with readers today. It is a story of hope, resilience, and the enduring human spirit. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of Virgil's epic. If you enjoyed this journey to the world of classical literature, be sure to subscribe for more book recommendations and insightful discussions. Until next time, happy reading.